Hello mga kawawmat, in this video, we will have a short quiz about problem solving involving compound interest. So pwede nyo akong sabayan, okay? Then check your own answer. Number one, what is the amount of maturity value of a loan? 20,000 pesos at 6% compound interest for 3 years. A. 23,802.32. B. 23,820.32. C. 23,028.32. D. 32,820.32. So since hinahanap yung maturity value, so that will be future value, no? Future value or maturity value yung hinahanap. Okay, in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So wala kasi tayong timer eh. So the answer is letter B. So 23,820.32. Next. In order to have 50,000 pesos in 5 years, how much should you invest if the compound interest is 5%? A. 39,176.31. B. 39,167.31. C. 93,176.31. And D. 93,167.31. Okay, in order to have 50,000, so it's a present, principal amount or the present value, no, ang kailangan hanapin. So, kailangan ma-practice kayo gamit yung calculator, no, para masanay kayo na mabilis mag-compute. Okay, letter A, uh, what will be the answer? Yes, letter A, 39,176.31. Okay, question number 3. In a certain bank, Angel invested 88,000 pesos in a time deposit that pays 0.5% compound interest in a year. How much will be her money after 6 years? A. 59,673.22. B. 89,673.22. C. 90,637.22. And D. 90,673.22. So, after 6 years, so future value ang hinahanap. Okay, so the correct answer is letter D, 90,673.22. Next, what is the amount of interest of a loan 20,000 pesos at 6% compound interest for 3 years? So, interest yung hinahanap. So, kailangan makuha nyo muna yung for 3 years. No? Interest of a loan, 20,000 at 6% compound interest for 3 years. A, 2,000.01. B, 2,500.55. C, 3,820.32. And D, 4,101.92. Okay, so ang given natin ay yung present value. So kunin niyo yung future value, pagkakuha, minus dun sa present value, ano kaya ang sagot? Okay, the correct answer is letter C, 3,820.32. Okay, last question. On the 7th birthday of her daughter, Shirley deposited an amount in a bank peso band fund that pays 1% interest compounded annually. So how much should she deposit if she wants to have 100,000 on her daughter's 18th birthday? So magkano ang kailangan niyang i-deposit para pagka 18, mag lumaki yung 100,000, no? Para pagdating ng 18th birthday, meron na siyang 100,000 pang celebrate. So, ano to? Present value yung hinahanap. Okay, the correct answer is letter D, 89,632.37.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated kayo for more video tutorial. This is your guide in learning your math lesson, your Wow Math channel.